Welcome to the full demo of LeadCarnival, your all-in-one LinkedIn and email outreach automation platform. In this video, we'll explore how LeadCarnival works, from creating campaigns to running smart sequences, managing conversations, and tracking everything in one place. Dashboard overview. Once your LinkedIn profile is connected, you'll see your dashboard. As you start running campaigns, it will display your performance data, including total campaigns, invitations sent, connections made, conversion rates, messages sent, and reply rates. You can view reports by day, week, or month, or even select a custom date range. Need to analyze further? You can export reports in CSV format. At the top right, you can toggle between visual and data-driven modes to view your results the way you prefer. At the bottom, you'll find recent activity and received invitations. You can even accept inbound invitations directly from here. Creating a campaign. Let's create a campaign and sequence. Click on the Create Campaign button at the top right and give your campaign a name. Now you'll see several ways to add leads: LinkedIn Basic Search, Sales Navigator Search, Post Engagement, Group Members, Event Attendees, paste LinkedIn URLs, upload a CSV file, Google Sheets integration, or use your existing first-degree connections. For this demo, we'll go with LinkedIn Basic Search. On LinkedIn, enter your keyword and filter results by people. Open all filters, choose a location, service category, and title to narrow down results. Now copy the search URL, go back to LeadCarnival, and paste it. Click Validate, give your list a name, and hit Create Campaign. Next, we'll attach a sequence. If you have saved templates, you can reuse them. Otherwise, let's create a new one using the Smart Builder. We also offer a legacy builder for those who prefer a traditional flow. For our demo, we'll start with the Send an Invite step. Click on it to write your connection request message. You can use dynamic variables like first name, last name, position, company name, custom variables, spin tax, or even AI Icebreaker, which scans profiles and writes unique, personalized sentences automatically. You can also write a fallback message for profiles missing data and use A/B testing to create up to 5 variations, a great way to boost results and stay safe from LinkedIn spam triggers. Next, let's add a message step. This will be sent after a connection is accepted. Again, use personalization, fallback text, and A/B tests if needed. If you want, you can add more follow-ups, but for this demo, we'll keep it simple. If your invite isn't accepted, you can choose to withdraw invitations after a few days. You can also add multi-channel steps, like sending an email or InMail. Let's add an email step. Write your subject and message body, include variables and spin text, add fallback text and A/B variations if needed. Once done, click End Sequence, and then Save Changes. Campaign Settings. Before launching, adjust your campaign settings. Choose whether to connect with profiles without a photo. Enable warm-up mode for new accounts. Select your sender email, schedule a future launch, or click Save and Launch to start right away. Your campaign is now live. You can track analytics, add more leads later, or edit your sequence anytime. You could also save your sequence as a template for future use. Research and lead filtering. Next, let's explore the Research feature. If you want to analyze leads before adding them to a campaign, for example, filter or clean data, or to download the search results in a CSV for data enrichment, just click Create New Search. Paste your LinkedIn search URL and click Create. LeadCarnival will start fetching profiles instantly. Inside your campaign, you can remove irrelevant leads, export them to CSV, or move selected leads to an existing or new campaign. You can even apply filters to refine your list further. Unified Inbox. Now let's check out the Unified Inbox, one of the most powerful features in LeadCarnival. Here you'll find all your LinkedIn, InMail, and email conversations in one place with filters to manage everything easily. You can reply directly from LeadCarnival. For example, if someone replies, you can use AI Assistant to generate a context-aware response based on the last message instantly. If it looks good, hit send. You can also add notes about leads, save reply templates, attach documents, use emojis. Another great feature is Set Reminder. If someone wants you to remind later, schedule the follow-ups right inside LeadCarnival so you never forget to reach back. You can also tag leads to keep your inbox organized and filter by tags anytime. Now let's go to Settings and Profile. LeadCarnival automatically sets a safe daily quota for your account. You can increase it gradually, but avoid big jumps to protect your profile. For new or low-activity accounts, we recommend enabling Account Warm-Up. You can set your time zone, working hours, and even mark holidays so no messages are sent during off hours. In Account Health, you can pause a profile for a while, remove all pending invitations in one click. Credentials and Integrations. Under Credentials, you can update your LinkedIn password, delete a profile, connect Google Sheets for data imports, or add your email sender for outreach. In Blacklist, you can block contacts by LinkedIn URL, name, email, domain, or company name. LeadCarnival also supports webhooks, so you can connect with your favorite CRM tools. Now let's explore the Networks section. Here you'll find all of your campaign leads gathered in one place, making it easy to view, manage, and track every prospect added across your campaigns. Under Connections, you'll see all your first-degree connections, the people you're already connected with on LinkedIn. You can easily export this data as a CSV file for analysis or CRM updates. In the Grow tab, you'll see your sent invitations, received invitations, where you can directly accept received invitations from here as well, and even the ones you've withdrawn. Company and Workspace Settings. From the top right Account Settings, you can access Integrations, view all connected LinkedIn profiles. Company Settings, manage company name, profiles, blacklists, holidays, and preferences. If you add a blacklist under Company Settings, it automatically applies to all accounts in that company. In Workspaces, you can create new workspaces, assign roles and permissions, and manage your team seamlessly. And that's the full demo of LeadCarnival. We kept it short, but as you can see, LeadCarnival is packed with features that help you automate outreach, stay organized, and close more deals effortlessly. If you have any questions or want to explore more, feel free to book a live demo at LeadCarnival.com. Thanks for watching, and happy prospecting with LeadCarnival.